Yesu.
Jesus.
Obulokozi.
Salvation.
Ogenda mu ggulu.
Going to heaven.
Ogenda mu ggulu okutuufu.
Going to heaven in a true and correct
Okolagana ne Yesu okutuufu.
Relating with Jesus in the right way.
Oba oyagala oba toyagala.
Whether you want it or not.
Kugenda kujjisa bbiya mu firiji ave.
You're going to kick out beer out of the fridge.
Ate nga badde aluddemu nnyo.
Yet it had stayed for so long.
Wakula omunywa.
You grew up drinking.
Obadde naye bumale ebbanga ddene.
You've had it for a long time.
Gy'onookoma okutegeera Yesu.
The more you understand Jesus,
ogenda kusaanukula firiji.
you're going to open up the fridge
ofune ekisawo.
and get a bag.
Bbiya ye n'omupangululeyo.
Pick out all the beer.
Bamutwale ng'okiraba.
And they take it away as you see.
Ogamba omwana agenda omusule ku nsiko.
And you tell them, please dump it out.
Bamukaba nti era awo mba nkyalumba.
How many are saying, I will continue to
Bamukaba era awo
pursue?
nsigala ndi mulokole.
How many will say, I will remain in
ne bwe
salvation?
kituuka awo
Even
nsigala ndi
to
mulokole.
that extent, I will remain believing.
Ngambye.
I said,
Ngambye.
I said,
Yesu agenda kukostinga.
Jesus is going to cost you something.
Kubanga
Because
oba oyagala oba toyagala.
whether you want it or not,
Ekiseera kigenda kutuuka.
a time is going to come.
Ogamba omwami oyo abadde ayingira ekiro.
And you tell that husband who was coming late,
Omugende naye nkubuulire.
and you tell them, you know what?
Nkubuulire Jimmy.
You know what, Jimmy?
Omanyi bwe nalokoka.
You know I'm saved.
Agenda ya nkimanyi nga
He said,
walokoka.
yes, I know you're saved.
Nawe olyoka omubuuze.
And you ask them,
Naye obanga okimanyi nalokoka lwaki onneebakako.
if you know I'm saved, why do you have come intercourse with me?
Ate ng'omanyi ndi mulokole.
Yet you know I'm born again.
Alyoke agambe
And they will tell you
nti nze nali simanyi nti kyo kikulu.
that I didn't know that it was that important.
Nze nali manyi mubeera balokole.
I thought you just saved,
Naye ne tusigala nga tubeebakangako.
but we remain doing our business, our intercourse.
Kubanga era
Because
n'ennyumba nze ngisasula.
I'm the one who pays the rent
Mwe nkwebakirako.
where I come and have intercourse with
Olyoke
you.
omugambe.
And you tell them
Nti naye nkubuulire.
that let me tell you,
Nalokoka.
I'm born again.
Toddanga wano.
Never come back here again.
Sikulaba nga ng'okomyewo.
Never return here.
Olaba nayiba omutima bwe gumutyemuse.
Do you see how your neighbor is surprised and scared?
Olaba bwe gumutyemuse.
Do you see how scared they are?
Bakati yeewuunya ani agenda okusasula enju.
Because they are now wondering, who's going to pay my
Era
rent?
kayagala musumba ekintu ng'okikalubiza.
And they're like, Pastor, you've made the standard so high.
Musumba ekintu ng'okiwanise nnyo.
Pastor, the bar is raised so high.
Naye ng'amazima gali beegali.
The truth is,
Bameka buli wano nga mwagala okugenda mu ggulu.
how many here want to go to heaven?
Waliwo abali yenenyeza. Walaga nti
Some people have given up.
bameka buli wano nga mwagala
How
okugenda mu
many
ggulu.
here want to go to heaven?
Nkubulire bw'oba onoogenda mu ggulu.
Let me tell you, if you want to go to heaven,
Oyagala kugenda mu
do
ggulu.
you want to go to heaven?
Oyagala kugenda mu
Do you
ggulu.
want to go to heaven?
Obulokole bugenda kukuleetera loosi.
You're going to lose some things in salvation.
Waliwo by'ogenda okuta.
There are certain things you're going to give up.
Waliwo by'ogenda okuga nti ekijja kikole kitya.
You will say, come what may.
Oba kusula njala.
Whether going
Oba
hungry,
kutambuza bigere.
whether moving on foot,
Ngenda kikola.
I will do it.
Naye ngende ne Yesu.
But I will win Jesus.
Ani awulira ngambeko nti amiina.
Say amen.
Sikyabawulira ani aga nti haleluya.
Say hallelujah.
Eyo si loosi.
Isn't that a loss?
Omuntu adde asasula ennyumba bw'omwegobako.
If you lose the one who was paying your rent,
Kati eyo teba loosi.
isn't that a loss?
Naye Pawulo agyogeddeko.
But Paul has spoken about
Agani
it.
byonna ebyali amagoba gye ndi.
All that was gained to me,
Nakkiriza ne bifuuka loosi.
I allowed it to become loss.
Kiregeza waliwo biyata n'abireka ne bigenda ng'abiraba.
So there are things he gave up.
Waliwo ebyagenda nga n'amaziga agakaaba.
Some things left his life and he,
Waliwo ebyagenda n'agamba Yesu.
there are times he said, oh Jesus,
Ng'ofuuse wa bbeeyi
oh
nnyo.
you're so expensive now.
Yesu ng'ofuuse wa bbeeyi.
Oh Jesus, you're so
Yesu
expensive.
tabeerangako wa layisi.
Jesus has never been cheap.
Wa bbeeyi.
Jesus is never cheap.
Era kyovulaba abamu kufa abaamufuna.
That is why some of us who received him,
Tomunsuuza.
you never make me lose him.
Kubanga yankositinga nnyo okumufuna.
Because he cost me a lot to get him.
Omuwendo gwe nasasula gwali munene.
The cost was so big.
Tosobola kumalaga munyambula nga nyambula ekkooti.
You can't just take him away like you take away coat.
Tosobola kunyambula Yesu nga nyambula
You
akakomo.
can't take away Jesus like it is just something on my hand.
Bameka abali wano nga Yesu yakositinga okumufuna.
How many here Jesus cost you
Ng'olinayo by'ojjukira.
that you lost something,
Ng'olinayo omuwendo gw'ojjukira gwe wasasula.
that you paid a certain price?
Bameka abali wano ng'olina omuwendo gwe wasasula
How
ofune
many
Yesu.
here paid a certain price to receive Jesus?
Kati gwe
So you,
ng'olina omuwendo gwe wasasula.
if you paid a certain price,
Tosobola kukkiriza kintu kyonna kikuggyako Yesu.
you can never allow anything take away Jesus from you.
Mwe abaamufuna ku layisi.
If you got him cheaply,
Mwe abaamufuna ku layisi.
if you got him cheaply,
Gwe badde mbumu kutwalako obaagalira.
They can take him away anytime they want.
Kubanga gwe tolina kye wasasula.
Because you didn't pay anything.
Gwe badde mbumu kwambula nga abakwambula ekkooti.
They can take him away like a coat.
Naye abalina omuwendo gwe baasasula.
But those who paid a price.
Bamutwala okubanga kyekibbeeyi kyabwe ekisinga mu bintu byonna bye balina mu bulamu buno.
They take him like he's the biggest treasure they have in their lives. Say amen.
Anfunze bweti.
Let me finish like this.
Yesu.
Jesus.
Bible etugambye.
The Bible has told us.
N'ayingira mu yeekaalu.
He entered the temple.
N'agobera ebweru bonna abaali batundira mu yeekaalu.
He chased out all the money changers.
N'avuunika embaawo ezaali bawaanyisa effeeza.
He overturned the tables of the money changers.
Gamba ne Mukama vuunika.
Say, Lord, overturn.
Yogera n'amaanyi wadde kitiisa.
Please say it, Lord. Say it boldly that Lord overturn. Say, Jesus overturn. Overturn the tables. Take away every rubbish. Everything which is not supposed to be in me. Take it away, Jesus. Overturn. Take them out. Chase out the doves. Do you know why? You know why? Because it was a temple, a building in those days. But today, it is not a building called the temple. Today, the temple of the Lord is you. It is you. It is you. It is you. You are the one. It is not buildings that go to heaven. Some people, they honor the building so much. They come with their cigarettes. When they reach the gate of the church, they are scared. They are like, oh, let me first finish this cigarette. I don't want to enter with it in the house of the Lord. I don't want to bring cigarettes in the house of the Lord. They finish it quickly. They puff it up quickly. They finish it, they dump it away. They crush it. They get chewing gum. They come chewing gum. They sit in the service. You hear them smell cigarettes. It is like they smell cigarettes, but also they are smelling chewing gum. Chewing gum. You're wondering, what is it? Is it chewing gum or cigarettes? And you say, brother, where does he buy? Chewing gum which chewing gum has the flavor of cigarettes? You know why their chewing gum is like cigarettes? Because they came smoking. When they entered the gate of the church, they said, you don't bring cigarettes into the temple. They've never known that it is not the building going to heaven. It is them going to heaven. Before that building becomes a temple, you are the temple